We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for creating Ghibli-inspired content. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chat.openai.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, you'll see the chat interface. To start creating Ghibli-inspired content, you need to set the right context for ChatGPT. Begin by typing a prompt that reflects the Ghibli style. For example, you could write, "Imagine a world filled with lush green forests and magical creatures, where a young girl embarks on an adventure to discover the secrets of her village." This sets the scene for the AI to generate responses in a Ghibli-like narrative. You can then interact with ChatGPT by asking it to describe characters, settings, or plot twists, making sure to guide it with specific prompts that evoke the whimsical and mystical essence of Studio Ghibli films. If you're looking for detailed character descriptions, try prompts like, "Describe a character who is a gentle spirit, living in harmony with nature," and see how ChatGPT brings your ideas to life. If you want to refine the output further, you can provide feedback to the AI or adjust your prompts to be even more specific, such as including certain themes or elements common in Ghibli movies like friendship, courage, and discovery. Remember, the more detail you provide in your prompts, the more tailored the responses will be. This interaction helps you create rich, immersive content that captures the magic of Ghibli films. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.